If you've been stuck in the same loop, buying programs, burning cash, and still not making money online, this is the video you can't skip. Today I'm showing you the exact setup that broke that cycle for me. And if you join me at the $25 level, you'll get my free bonus. Okay? I'm paying out of my pocket, my hard-earned cash, to get you in if you join at the $25 level. And this will help you build any business, okay? Now this is the step-by-step affiliate marketing for beginners system I wish I had on day one. And yes, this is Home Business Academy legit, my honest breakdown. This isn't theory. This is what I log into every day to run my work from home business from one place. I've been through the grind, wasting money on tools I couldn't figure out, chasing programs that disappeared, even overnight, and feeling like I was always starting over. The system changed that because it's simple, it's all in one, and it's built for people who want to start an online business without months of tech overwhelm. You log in and everything's there, your funnel builder, your training. No juggling a million different logins, no paying hundreds of months for separate tools. And the training isn't just theory, it's step by step so you can follow along and actually create passive income online. I've seen people brand new to affiliate marketing set their first funnel live in a single afternoon. I've seen rebuilders finally get traction after years of spinning their wheels. And the reason it works is because it removes the overwhelm and keeps you focused on the step-by-step steps that matter. There's one reason this works when everything else fails, and it's not what you think. It's the Home Business Academy. I use their funnel builder and their training every day, and it's the backbone of my business. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and backed by a community that actually wants you to win. When you join me at the $25 level, you'll get my affiliate blueprint, the step-by-step steps not only you can use every day to teach you how to build traffic sales and build your email list and stand out, but also it will train all your people. So not only are you going to attract people with attraction marketing and learn the step-by-step things you need to do every single day, but you're going to have your people trained as well, okay? So you could skip the trial and error and start building your make money from home business right away. This will build any single program, okay? And it'll build your team, okay? And it'll be trained for you, okay? Now that's why I can confidently answer the question, is Home Business Academy legit? My honest breakdown, and now it's your turn to see for yourself. Click the link below, get started at the $25 level, and I'll see you on the inside. This is the same system that took me from constant frustration to finally building something real, and it can do the same thing for you. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Peace. Sorry, I have a band-aid. Yeah, have a good night. Later, everybody.